Hello students, in previous class we discussed about what is matrix and order of a matrix. Today we discuss about types of a matrix. So likha types of a matrix. Number 1, column matrix. Column matrix mane hol আমি তোমালোকক মই কৈছিলো এটা মেট্ৰিক্সত ৰ কোনটো হয় কলম কোনটো হয় সপোজ a equal to matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 ইয়াত মই ৰ কোনটো বুলি কৈছিলো যিমানখিনি ইয়াত তোমালোকৰ হৰাইজেন্টেল লাইনস থাকিব হে গুটেইখিনি কি বুলি কৈছিলো হৰাইজেন্টেল লাইনস খিনি ৰ আৰু এই ভাৰ্টিকেল লাইনস খিনি কি বুলি কৈছিলো কলম সো কলম মেট্ৰিক্স কোনটো হ'ব Zetia, if a matrix having only one column is called column matrix. Column matrix, so ki hobo A equal to only 1 and 4. So these types of matrices are called column matrix. So write down the definition of column matrix. A matrix is said to be column matrix if it has only one column. That is, column matrix having only one column but many rows. That is what? That is a matrix A equal to Aij of order what? Only one column and many rows. That is order m by 1. So what is the example of column matrix? For example, A equal to suppose 1 2 3. So what is the order of this matrix? 3 by 1 or 1 2. What is the order of this matrix? 2 by 1. So these types of matrices are called column matrix. And next, number 2, row matrix. So row matrix is same as column matrix. So a matrix having only one row is called row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called row matrix. That is what? That is A equal to Aij of order what? Only one row but many columns. That is order 1 by n. So what is the example of row matrix? For example, what? এটাই ৰ থাকিব লাগিব কিন্তু কলমস বহুত হ'ব পাৰে that is what A equal to suppose 1 2 3 so what is the order of this matrix how many rows only one row and how many columns 3 columns 1 2 3 so order 1 by 3 or A equal to 1 2 order 1 by 2 so these types of matrices are called row matrix. And next, square matrix. Square matrix means number of rows is equal to the number of columns. So likha a matrix is said to be square matrix if the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. ঠিক আছে? So that is a matrix A equal to Aij of order m by n is said to be square matrix if what number of rows is equal to the number of columns that is m equal to if m equal to n. So it can be written as what? So it can be written as what? It can be written as A equal to Aij of order number of rows is equal to the number of columns that is m by m or n by n. So whose order is what? Whose order is what? M or n. So it is called square matrix. For example, what? For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the order of this matrix? 3 or 1, 2, 2, 1. What is the order of this matrix? 2. So these types of matrices are called square matrix. ठीक है? And next, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix to jonar agote ami first diagonal elements ki hetu jani lobo lagibo. So likha diagonal elements. A square matrix. Yat kintu okol amar square matrix othe possible hobo. Thik ase? So a square matrix A equal to Aij of order m by m or n by n is said to be diagonal elements if what? If I equal to j, that is what? That is A11, A22, A33, A, M or NN are called what? Are called diagonal elements. So for example, if we consider a matrix A equal to suppose 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 9, 6, 1, 4. So here what is the diagonal elements? A11 equal to what? 1. A22 equal to what? 4. And A33 equal to 4. So these all elements are called diagonal elements. So now write down the definition of diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix ki hobo? Diagonal elements kinir bade a diagonal elements kinir etu hobo amar diagonal elements. A diagonal elements kinir bade baki gutei khini jodi 0 hoy tenekwa matrix bilakok ami ki boli kom? Diagonal matrix. So write down the definition of diagonal matrix. A square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if what? All its non-diagonal elements are 0. That is what? That is if A equal to Aij of order m is a diagonal matrix. If what? If Aij equal to 0 when I is not equal to j and Aij is not equal to 0 when what? I equal to j. So this matrix is called diagonal matrix. So what is the example of diagonal matrix? All the non-diagonal elements are 0. That is the matrix A equal to suppose 2 is the diagonal elements A11. So this is a diagonal non-diagonal element. So this 0 0 1 0 0 0 3. So this all are what? Diagonal elements and all the non-diagonal elements are 0. So these types of matrices are called diagonal matrix. ठीक है?